it happens. If you do join, just be prepared. It's going to happen to you. Probably it happened to me. The trigger is very sensitive. And so a lot of times after the service is over or the honor is over, we'll be standing there and the guys will try to put the safety on by themselves or right there in line, and it'll go off. And even though they are blank cartridges, they can still do damage up to, I think, 8 or 10 feet. So it was my maybe 4th honor, and I was walking away and I tried to put the safety on and I hit the trigger and boom, and I scared the whole family, and I'm very sorry for that. But ever since then, I've never done it again.